Now guys, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay kung paano natin makikita ang ating watch hour. So, ayusin ko muna to. Ayan. Punta po tayo sa Chrome. Ayan. Mag-start na po tayo sa ating watch hour. Baguhin ko lang to. Ayan na. Ito na po. Punta po tayo sa Chrome natin. Ito po. I hope na clear po siya. Ayan po. Again, YouTube Studios type natin. So, meron na ako dito. Diretso ko na. So, ayan po para clear. Tignan yung mabuti. So, click ko na lang to. Ay, low battery. Again. Pipindutin natin to. Let us click this one. And guys, don't forget to click this one. Did you see this? These 3 dots. See? Desktop side. Yan, waiting the confirmation and just zoom. Yan. And now, punta ka dito sa just go to the dollar sign. Dial, aywa. So, dahil sa maliit pa lang naman yung ating channel, ito pa lang yung ating watch hour. Ito pa lang, 36. So, napakaliit pa lang guys. Kailangan pa natin kumayod ng mabuti. So, hope guys, may natutunan kayo. Or kailangan natin gawin ulit. Para isa pang Isa pa. One more. First, punta tayo dito sa Chrome. Okay, one more. Okay. Punta tayo dito. Then, type YouTube Studio. Since that I have it already, just click. And then, click this. Once again, don't forget to click this 3 dots on the upper side. And again, the desktop sides. And make it zoom. Just click the dollar sign. This one. Let us click. Okay. Charan! You're already here. This is it now. See? Still need more time. I mean the watch time hour. Okay guys, hope you learn more. I mean you learn some. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.